under their curse.
All right, YouTubes. It is Sunday. Big Niner win yesterday. Brock the Cock Purdy did his thing in the second half. Took care of the Sea Donkeys. That was pretty cool, but I got a bunch of calls today. I'm going to bring you guys along. Still raining out here. Let's get you around. It's still doing it. And I'm gonna bring you guys along. I gotta go way up the coast on a call, and then I got an ice maker, and I also have a reach in. So I figured, what the heck, it's Sunday, I'll bring you guys along for right now it's 3 calls, and then tomorrow, Monday, I got the day off from the day job. It's a holiday at the day job, and I got a heater to work at. I think I got a Nest thermostat that made this heater not rectify flame. I wonder if you guys have ever had that issue before, where the Nest thermostat without the common wire hooked up just wreaks havoc on those units. And I got one, I could take the thermostat wires off the circuit board and jumper it out R to W, and the furnace will run. And I think it's that damn Nest thermostat just wreaking havoc on the furnace system. But let's get into today's stuff, and we'll get up there. There it is. I gotta go way up the coast, and we'll do it, and we'll see what we get into here. Always hit the like button if you could, help a brother out. It helps algorithm, but the like button helps a ton. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe and follow the journey, and we'll see if we can get a bunch of fun videos. I'm gonna try and get cracking back on the reefer videos pretty hardcore if I can. Just depends how the phone's ringing. You know, we've been having extreme winter up here, and I've been so busy at the day job, I just haven't been filming the side job. So NorCal Refrigeration is my second job. So let's get up there, and I'll bring you guys along, and hopefully we can get some video today. Oh yeah, baby. She's doing it. Been like this for 20 days. This is crazy. So we got the chiller over here. Not coming on was the service call. let's see if we can get this this here going. We made it up here finally. Nice little drive. All right, so it keeps going off on high head, and you can see right in there, fan blade's broken. Oh, I gotta get this dude out of there. There's the broken fan blade. I was able to get it off. The fan motor's still good on this one. See if I got I'll see if I have a fan blade on the truck that'll match up to this. Now, all mine have the 5/16 shaft. That one has the flat shaft on it. I gotta find a fan blade for this guy. All right, I did find these two, just a hair bit smaller. It's winter time, it'll get them by until I can get the right fan blade. This will fit on there and spin for the meantime. Condenser fan blade, and the condenser was totally flattened over. So I just spent about an hour straightening out the fins the best I could. Threw a fan blade on there, temporary. We got to get the right fan blade for it. But they're back to making beers. Now I'm gonna head out to go and check a ice maker. I'll bring you guys along. There's a shot at the ocean out there. Storm in Norman. Still some storm in McNorman's going on. And they're back in production, and that's what we're here for, right? Get them back online, get them working. Condenser fan blade, clean the condenser. Let's go check out this ice maker. I should be able to film more at the ice maker job. And then I got a reach in that's getting the beers too cold at another location. I'll show you guys this on my way back into town. So this is where all the fires ripped through and all the trees burned down. Then you can see how the wind picked up on these storms and snapped all the trees off. And they're snapped off when the wind picked up. It's kind of neat how Mother Nature takes care of itself. Come over here, the ocean's still storming. This is like a little more of a protected area right here. This is where all the great white sharks hang out. Año Nuevo right here. Water, mudslides. Yeah, man. Pretty ominous right there, because if it cuts loose, it's gonna shut down the whole island right here. All right, that one there had a bad defrost heater safety thermostat, and I also replaced the evaporator fan motor. It was an ice merchandiser, not a ice machine. And we got a one-door reach-in to look at next that is freezing the beer. That's what I was told. So we'll get over there and check that next. Printing out some invoices here and drop this off to the customer and then get to the next call. All right, ice merchandiser. The little true one-door reach-in beer cooler has a bad thermostat. It's a solid state thermostat on the new R290 units. So I usually order the stat. It comes with the 2 probes. I'm gonna replace that on that unit. I didn't get to show you guys in there, they were super busy. We're back at it with the rain. That's gonna wrap it up for my Sunday. I'm gonna go home and try and watch who the Giants playing. I don't even know who won did the Bills beat the Dolphins, and then I think it's the Giants and the Vikings. I might go try and watch some of that.